Hi, I'm Angela.
Hi, I'm Sydney.
Welcome to Thinkery at Home. Today we're going to explore Sidewalk chalk paint. This do-it-yourself chalk paint is one of my favorite summertime outdoor activities. It only requires a couple of ingredients, so virtually anyone can do it.
A cool scientific fact about chalk is that it's made up of a mineral found in limestone. Blackboard chalk used to be made up of the same substance, but now is made up of gypsum and calcium sulfate. Today, we'll be using commonly found ingredients from our own kitchen to make our own homemade version of sidewalk chalk.
For this activity, we will be using 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, small containers or a muffin pan, food coloring, a container for mixing, spoons, and paintbrushes. To begin, we're going to measure out our cornstarch and water. This recipe calls for equal amounts of water and cornstarch. Equal means the same, so if you want to make more or less, just remember to use equal amounts of cornstarch and water. Next, we'll pour the water into the cornstarch, mix it up, and be ready to pour it into our containers. We want to make sure that the mixture doesn't have any clumps of cornstarch. Make sure you mix it well so that it's all liquid. Also, if your mixture seems a little too watery or a little too thick, go ahead and add a little extra water or a little extra cornstarch. Now the fun part, adding the food coloring to make all the different colors. Add drops of color and stir it up until it's a solid color. One thing to consider is that colors will dry lighter on the sidewalk than they look in your containers. So if you want really vibrant colors, add a couple of extra drops. Next, we'll find a good piece of sidewalk to paint our masterpiece. Bring a little extra water to clean your brushes and to add to the paint if it gets a little thick. Once you find the perfect spot, have fun painting and creating art. Thank you for joining me in this activity. I hope you had fun. Post your results in the comment section below and continue to check our social media pages for more hands-on fun at home.